As indicated by the most recent long-haul gauge, torrential slide cost will hit $20 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $25 by the center of 2025. Torrential slide will ascend to $50 inside the time of 2029. Torrential slide value expectation 2023 to 2024. Torrential slide cost began in 2023 at $10.84. Today, torrential slide exchanged at $17.14. So the cost expanded by 58% from the very outset of the year. The determined torrential slide cost toward the finish of 2023 is $19.61, and the year-to-year change plus 81%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 14%. In 2023, we hope to see $17.67 per one torrential slide. In the primary portion of 2024, the torrential slide cost will move to $19.75. In the final part, the cost would add $2.56 and close the year at $22.31, which is plus 30% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later close to days and months: Tuesday, February 14, $17.14. Wednesday, February 15, $17.15. Thursday, February 16, $17.15. Friday, February 17, $17.16. Saturday, February 18, $17.16. Sunday, February 19, $17.16. Monday, February 20, $17.17. Tuesday, February 21, $17.17. March 15, $17.26. April 15, $17.38. May 15, $17.49. June 15, $17.61. July 15, $17.83. Torrential slide forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Torrential slide cost would move from $22.31 to $53.03, which is up 138%. Torrential slide will begin 2025 at $22.31, then, at that point, take off to $26.23 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $28.59. That implies plus 67% from today. Torrential slide forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the torrential slide cost would ascend from $53.03 to $66.84, which is plus 26%. Torrential slide will begin 2030 at $53.03, then, at that point, take off to $56.21 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $56.70. It is about plus 231% from today. Verifiable figures 1/15/2023 torrential slide value forecast 2023 to 2024 torrential slide cost began in 2023 at $10.84. Today, torrential slide exchanged at $16.53, so the cost expanded by 52% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated torrential slide cost toward the finish of 2023 is $22.76, and the year-to-year change plus 110%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 38%. In 2023, we hope to see $21.51 per one torrential slide. In the principal half of 2024, the torrential slide cost will move to $24.32. In the last part, the cost would lose $2.44 and close the year at $21.88, which is plus 32% to the ongoing cost. Torrential slide expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Torrential slide cost would move from $21.88 to $45.65, which is up 109%. Torrential slide will begin 2025 at $21.88, then take off to $25.82 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $29.69. That implies plus 80% from today. Torrential slide forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the torrential slide cost would ascend from $45.65 to $65.26, which is plus 43%. Torrential slide will begin 2030 at $45.65. Then, at that point, take off to $48.39 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2030 at $51.11. It is about plus 209% from today. 1/1/2023 torrential slide value expectation 2023 to 2024 torrential slide cost began in 2023 at $10.84. Today, torrential slide exchanged at $10.75. So the cost diminished by 1% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated torrential slide cost toward the finish of 2023 is $17.56, and the year-to-year change plus 62%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 63%. In 2023, we hope to see $16.59 per one torrential slide. In the main portion of 2024, the torrential slide cost will move to $18.77. In the last part, the cost would lose $1.89 and close the year at $16.88, which is plus 57% to the ongoing cost. Torrential slide expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Torrential slide cost would move from $16.88 to $35.23. Which is up 109%. Torrential slide will begin 2025 at $16.88, then, at that point, take off to $19.92 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $22.91. That implies plus 113% from today. Torrential slide expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the torrential slide cost would ascend from $35.23 to $50.35, which is plus 43%. Torrential slide will begin 2030 at $35.23, then, at that point, take off to $37.34 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $39.44. It is about plus 267% from today. 12/15/2022 torrential slide value expectation 2022 to 2023 torrential slide cost began in 2022 at $111.75. Today, torrential slide exchanged at $13.70. So the cost diminished by 88% from the start of the year. The estimated torrential slide cost toward the finish of 2022 is $15.32. And the year-to-year change 86%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 12%. In the principal half of 2023, the torrential slide cost will move to $15.43. In the last part, the cost would add $2 and close the year at $17.43. Which is plus 27% to the ongoing cost. Torrential slide forecast 2024 to 2028. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Torrential slide cost would move from $17.43 to $43.93. Which is up 152%. Torrential slide will begin 2024 at $17.43, then, at that point, take off to $20.49 inside the initial half year of the year,